So 6 months ago, I opted for the Spoon air cleaner, which is a direct replacement for your Civic Type R stock air filter using your stock air box. It is pricier at $215, but it's worth the money. The edges of this intake filter is a durable rubber-like material that creates a super tight seal when you install the filter. The inner portion is the air cleaner, which is made out of polyester fibers that actually creates a higher inhale rate than the other competitors that are using cotton-based intake filters. Spoon Sports has partnered up with Sprint Filter to create this unique air cleaner. They have shown upwards of 10 horsepower gain just by dropping the filter in. And if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and hear some samples. Unfortunately, the videos I took during the summer did not show off the sound of the air cleaner much due to the fact that I never disabled the module that piped in the fake engine noises to the cabin. I managed to find my GoPro mic adapter, and then I was able to use an external microphone, which I then ran into my engine bay next to my intake so I can record some proper sounds. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video, guys. The last thing we're going to cover is how to clean the air cleaner. All you need to do is use a can of air to blow out the individual grooves of the middle, and then use a mild detergent and rinse out the filter. Once the filter is dry, you can reinstall it back into the intake box. And that's it. Brand new. I hope you guys enjoyed the video I made for you today. This is actually my first time commenting in my videos. I'm still trying to get used to it. If you do like it, like the video, comment, subscribe. And if you got any questions, you can put it in the comments. If you want a more personal approach, I guess, you can DM me at thatboostbluelife on Instagram. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.